Hey there, how's it going? I'm going to teach you two shortcuts just to help you out throughout the day. Actually, let's make it three, and they're going to be save as, save, and open, right? And you're going to be doing this a lot. If you're like a analyst, you're going to be saving a lot because you're going to make some changes, saves, make some changes, save, right? So the first thing I'm going to teach you is save as, and what you want to do on your keyboard is depending on your keyboard, but the standard keyboard, you'll have those F buttons all the way at the top. So I'll bring up a little picture as you can see. And the F12 button at the very top will take you directly to save as. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And it's going to bring you to the save as dialog box, right? So that's the first one. The next one is save. So let's say I've already saved my workbook and I've made some changes and I just want to save those changes. I'm not going to close the workbook. I just want to save the changes. So all I do is press Control S, as you can see on this keyboard, right? The third one is to open a file. So let's say I've opened up Excel and I want to open up a file. I do Control O, and that brings me to the open dialog box. And whether I'm working in OneDrive, I'm on a SharePoint site, or on my PC, then I can navigate from here. I can also see all the previous files that I've been working on, and they're all here as well. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.